Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw another Roblox Piggy character. This time it's gonna be Miss P. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one is very easy to draw. The only tricky thing is the flower, because we're going to try to show them in a little bit of a perspective. Alright, so we're going to start out by drawing her eyes first, so this is going to be really simple. Just draw one egg shape. It's kind of small, and we'll come all the way across here. Just draw another egg shape. Okay, let me shade that in real quick. Alright, and then from here we're going to draw in the flower. So from this eye we're going to go up, and we're going to draw kind of like the same shape as this as the eye, but we're going to draw it at a slant right here. Okay, so it's pretty much the same, so it's almost like 3 dots. So once you have the center of the flower right here, we're going to draw in the petals. So come in an angle right here, just draw like a little bracket like this, kind of like a very sharp bracket. Okay, so we're slanting this way, and now we're going to draw in the petals facing this side. So we're going to slant this way now. So right underneath this, just draw like a flatter U shape. Now let's draw one on top. Okay, so that's going to be 4 petals, and we're going to draw 4 more. So right in between whatever space you have here, just draw a little curve like this at an angle. One going here, and then one going this side. That will give us the flower. Alright, so it's a little bit tricky because it's in perspective. Okay, so now we can fill in the head and the body. So from this flower right here, we'll just curve down to the eye first. Now we're going to start here on the top, right underneath the flower, or right behind the flower. We'll curve out and come all the way down and just kind of curve, and again we'll stop right here first. Alright, so that's going to give us the top, and now finish up the bottom. So for the bottom, we're going to continue with this curve, go all the way down. I'm going to curve it right in the center, we'll stop right there. And then on this side, this one's almost straight down, and then we're going to curve out just slightly. And then we'll just round it in and connect everything. Okay, so it's a little bit tricky of a shape here. And then now for the mouth, it's really simple. You can start at the eye, you come down, make a little point. And those are going to be the corners of the mouth. And now we just draw a little happy face. Alright, so that's the head and body, and now let's draw in the arms. And this one's going to be holding a flower pot, so let's start with this one. Just draw in 2 lines going out. And then right underneath here, we're just going to bend the elbow. And we'll close this off first. So now we're drawing the pot, and then for the pot here, we're just going to draw in one big egg shape on its side, and we'll start right here. So again, this is going to be in perspective as well. So just one big egg shape. And then on the inside, I'm going to draw another one. So I'm just going to follow the same curve. And then now for the side of the pot, from the corners here, we'll go straight down. And then now we're going to draw the same curve as this one, just right underneath here. So now it looks like a little tube. Okay, and then for the bottom, just come in slightly. You can make 2 little points. Slant it in. And now we're going to draw the same curve as this on top. That's going to give us the bottom of the pot. Okay, so it's a little bit tricky, but actually not too bad. And now it looks like it's in perspective. Okay, so let's draw the other side. So just 2 lines, and again, I'm going to bend the arms down. So this one's going to go straight down, so right around here. Now for the thumb, just one little hook like this, one little angle. And then for the other finger, we'll continue this, just come down, and just hook it, and then connect that. And then one more finger on the back here, just one little angle. Okay, and then the leg's gonna be super easy. I'm just gonna draw 2 curves like this first. This is gonna be the insides of the leg. And then just follow the same curve as this. We'll come down and stop a little short. Right on the bottom here, we'll go out slightly. Close it off. So we'll just give it a little bit of a bump there. Okay, stop short. Slant out and then just close it. And that is it for this Miss P. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.